Okay, so moment of truth for the generator box. It is currently making about 8 volts with the ET1 running it, and I have right on the end here a 5-volt regulator. So on the other end I have batteries plugged in. I am going to plug this 5-volt regulator in on this end, turn on the generator, and if nothing goes wrong, I will unplug the batteries, and we'll see if the ET1 can run itself from the generator box. And if that works out, we will begin starting the engines in order and see if it can run all 4 of them from itself. Except I connected my pigtail in the wrong direction. So I have to unwire all this and reverse the direction of my pigtail so that the correct plug is on the end next to the generator. So I guess we'll stop for a minute while I do that.